What's up, you guys? It's your girl RayeRaye back with another video. If you like this look, then stay tuned and we'll get into all the deets. Hello, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl RayeRaye back with another video. Like, literally, I just got off work. I still have like my work t-shirt on. Do not judge me, okay? I gotta hurry up and get dressed. So today I just want to show you guys like a little quick 1-2 that I do when I'm really not in the mood, when I don't have that much time. So I already started with doing my brows. They're a little bit uneven, but don't do me, okay? Sometimes they gotta mind their own, and it is what it is. All right, so for today's eye look, I'm gonna be using this Perception palette by Shayla and Colourpop. It's like literally one of my favorites. You've probably seen it in one of my older videos. It's so bomb and so gorgeous. She did a really good job. And I'm gonna just use this because I'm not in the mood today. Like, look, we gonna get into it. We gonna get it all settled. But I promise you it's gonna be super simple. Like, something was on my lip, Lord. But it's gonna be super simple. And let's just get into it. Boom. So to start off with my transition color, I'm gonna start with this color Culture. And yes, my palette is dirty because I actually use this one all the time, okay? All right, so next I want to go in with this color Thick right there. And just gonna put it a little bit lower than that Culture color. And next, for my crease, I'm gonna use the color Revenge. And just patting that all into the crease. And for the ends of my eye, I'm gonna add this brown color Played Out. And we're gonna put it right there at the end. All right, so I want to add a little bit of shimmer, and I want it to be kind of like pinkish. And there's so many cute colors up here. Like, I don't know which one I even want to pick, but I'm thinking I'm gonna go with a mixture of Strut and Slay, which is here, and September, which is this beautiful like purplish pink, like it's gorgeous. And I'm gonna just be mixing those two together like that and just patting all over the lid. You can do this with your finger also. I don't really like to because I don't like getting my hands dirty, but do whatever makes you comfortable. All right, super simple, super easy, super quick. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Using e.l.f. black eyeliner, the liquid eyeliner. It was like $2 from Ulta. So the eyes are done and all that. So I'm gonna go in with some foundation. I'm gonna be using my favorite foundation ever, which is Lancome. So stay tuned. All right, so I just went in with my lashes and some foundation. So now I'm just gonna put some concealer on using LA Girl in the color Cool Tan. I went super heavy-handed with the powder right now. But don't worry. We shall fix it. Yo, I'm looking real crazy right now, but don't worry. Don't worry. We're gonna tighten this whole thing up. Don't trip. Alright, 5 minutes later, I'm gonna go ahead and dust off all this extra powder that I have up here. Since the baking is done. Alright, now that we're all dusted off, I'm gonna go in. Just because I want to be a tad bit extra today, I'm gonna be using the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. And I'm thinking I want to do something like bluish or green for the under eye. So I'm thinking I want to go in with this Zola color. Ooh, I think that'd be pretty. Let's see. Let's take some chances today. And literally, I just did one swipe and I don't like it. So I'm gonna go in with this purple color instead. And I'm gonna use Makeda for the under eye instead, okay? We switching it up today. I kinda like that. Ooh. We sticking with Makeda today. I'm like really feeling that. Gonna add a tad bit of black eyeliner. You can do black, you can do white. Gonna go in with a tad bit of mascara, whatever type you want. And then for the last step, I'm gonna use some highlighter. Girl, go ahead and add that setting spray. Dang, girl. Ooh, child. Alright, so for my lips, I'm going to use my Fenty Gloss Bomb that I'm not going to put on right now because it's actually in my purse because I keep one in my purse at all times. So I'll be back with the finished look and the slayed edges to the gourds and all that type stuff. So be right back. Bye. Alright, you guys, here is the final look. Finally, my edges are slayed. Hair is finally done. Not looking crazy. Actually added some lip gloss, you know, keeping it a little simple. But yeah, this is the final look, and I'm really feeling this purple under the eye, girl. Yes. Alright, so thank you for tuning in to another video by your girl KaraJanae. I'll be back next week. See ya.